I've always been behind the camera because I've been too scared to get out in front of the camera. Now, a lot of you may relate to that. And I've filmed a lot of clients, and particularly a lot of teachers. In fact, there's one here today. It was one of my first teachers that I filmed. Hi, Jackie. And Jackie was the same as 9 out of 10 people. You know, they're just talking naturally, and then they get in front of the camera, and it's like, oh, hi. Does that happen to anybody here? Okay. That is 9 out of 10 people, they freeze up in front of the camera. And I was the same. And I didn't know that, but I must have known it unconsciously because people say, oh, why don't you get, you know, have you ever thought about getting in front of the camera? No, I'm behind the camera. I'm always behind the camera. But now I've had to get in front of the camera. What I've experienced of having to get in front of the camera, I can now teach you because I've gone through that.